Hello guys, welcome again to yet another tutorial of Global Technologies admin section. Now, the last video we had, we talked about the menus and inserting the admin. Today we are talking about the views and well, let's talk about the view and more on it. Now, we have a couple of um, uh, forms in our front end where customers or visitors have to fill. They have to fill and now we'll get the data. For example, we have the contact. Now these people who are contacting us from the front end. Let's look at it and once again. Now if I come to contact us, now I have a form to fill. Now let's say I fill this form. I have some dummy data here, so I'll just put in an email address, subject, and let's say this is a message and you submit. Now we have submitted. Let's go back and see if it actually exists in our data in our admin section. If we just refresh, bingo, this is the one I inserted. So we see that it's working. Now we can delete. For deleting, just click on delete and it's done. Click on delete and it's done. Now we also have the admin list. Admin list, we can actually just delete admin. You cannot edit it. You just delete admin. You also have the application list. Well, for the application list, this application list, the form can be filled under training. When you go to training, now we have apply. Under apply, this is our list. Let's just fill some data and we see level of education, you select your course, then you apply. When you apply, we give you it. Now this is actually the application form here. When you apply here, you have your information. Then we can contact you with your email to get more information. So now we have customer question. Actually, customers will have to ask questions. Under customer question, we come to customer support. Go to questions. Uh, Fill the form. Now go to our administration and question. See what happens. Now this is the customer question. This is the question the customer is actually asking. If you want to contact the customer, then we use the customer's email, and that is done. Well, I think for now we are done with the view. Then we'll look at the block. Now the block, you can add the new post, you can manage posts, manage comments, and you approve. Now I'm sure we have a post. I'm sure we have post. Let's manage a post we have. Now actually we have one post. Under this post, you can either delete the post, the blog post, or you edit it. Now when I click on edit, I actually see all the information that's actually there. So new post, yeah, this is the information. Then you come to this post, you take edit. You see I have the information again. Now I can do anything I change here. Let's see, come here and I change the name, this author's name, I change post title to 7 and then it didn't make good and I successful. Now if you come to post, right here, you see I changed this. Actually I changed the poster's name and I actually changed the data that was there. Oops, I was downloading something. So when you go to read more, when you actually go to read more, you see the comments. The comments that are there actually. Now take note that these comments you can approve them and you can unapprove them. Now I have three comments here. It means I have three approved comments. What if we come here? What if we come to blog posts? Now I have three approved comments. If I unapprove this comment, let's say we unapprove two, and we come back here and refresh, we discover that only one comment is visible. Now, if we unapprove comments, it means that we can also approve the comment. So let's come to manage comments. These are the comments that are unapproved. These are the comments that are actually unapproved. Now we should take note that when you have unapproved comments, you come here. This is a notification. You realize that it says three user comments is unapproved. Three user comments unapproved. Let's say we approve two, and we go back to our notification. It says one user comment is unapproved. We approve comment. It says no notification for the moment. So that's it for blog posts and comments. Now let's go back here and refresh. So let's see. We have our four. Yeah, we have our four comments. Actually, have our four comments, which prove that it's working very well. Now let's go back to home. Now we have projects. You can actually add projects. Right. First things first. Um, this project we'll talk on this project more the next video. For now, let's just look at some features. Now we have documentation here, which is where we'll save the documentation for the users of the system. We have our purchase order and our expenses. You can change the skin of the admin template. You can change it, work with it around as you wish. Wow, this one is sweet. Oh, wow, wow. Well, you just have to change it. Now, you realize that when you scroll down, you have all comments, you have four, all admins, you have three, application list, you have one person has applied, customer question, you have one customer question, contact, you have one contact, messages, you have seven messages, and sales, you have one sales. So, means this is the statistics of the admin template, the admin um, site where you have the statistics of what is actually going on, like total contacts. That is actually the same thing up here. So you can just you just when you log on to the site, you can see how people are visiting your site. Very soon we'll be adding this feature where you get visitors who have visited your site. Actually, when somebody actually opens this web page, this global technologies front end web page, now we'll get the user's ID, the IP address, and the user's location. That means we can actually track where the user is visiting our page from and the user's IP address, which I think is actually a very good feature. So let's this video we'll end this video here and then take up to the next video. I don't want this video to be too long, so we'll be taking maximum 10 minutes. See you later.